Here is today's bread for life. Today's scripture comes from Ezekiel 36 and 26. A new heart also will I give you, and a new spirit will I put within you. And I will take away the stony heart out of your flesh, and I will give you an heart of flesh. This verse is a profound promise of God's renewing power. The Israelites, burdened by sin and rebellion, were in need of more than external changes. They needed inner transformation. God didn't just want to reform their behavior. He wanted to renew their hearts and spirits from within. We often try to change ourselves by focusing on outward actions. But true, lasting transformation comes when God changes us from the inside out. He takes away the hardened, stony heart, one that resists His love, and gives us a heart of flesh, one that is tender, receptive, and aligned with His will. This promise is still true for us today. God offers us a new heart and a new spirit through Jesus Christ. No matter how hard life has made your heart, whether through pain, disappointment, or sin, God can renew you. He can soften your heart, fill it with His love, and guide you by His Spirit. Today, invite God to renew your heart. Surrender your worries, fears, and burdens to Him. Let His Spirit work within you, transforming you into the person He created you to be. May God give you a new heart and spirit today, renewing you with His love and grace. Be blessed, and I'll see you in our next devotion.